Whether you are planning a family vacation, booking for business, or organizing the trip of a lifetime, Las Pinas Travel and Tourism will help you make a more realistic travel plan. Las Pinas Travels and Tourism unlock the best possibilities for each individual traveler and each type of trip. Our investments in technology make it possible for us to deliver innovations at a faster pace, so planning and booking become a more effortless and exciting part of the journey. We help travelers make the most of their travel budget, no matter how big or small. We provide our services to our valuable customers at the best price. Our services are Transit Visa, Visit Visa, Inside Country Visa Change, Airport Transfer, Tours and Excursion, Hotel Booking, Air Tickets, and Worldwide Travel Insurance. We also have awesome packages to visit Armenia, Georgia, Turkey, and Azerbaijan. Las Pinas Travel and Tourism can give the best deals and good services to their customer. You may contact us at 00971 25584889 or visit our office during working hours at office number 506, Block A, 5th floor, Al Saman Tower, Hamdan Street, in front of Capital Park, Abu Dhabi. Or locate us at Google Maps by typing Las Pinas Travel and Tourism.